Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video I will show you how to convert a PDF into Excel file. Okay, so if you have a PDF of any Excel file and now you want to convert that PDF into Excel file, so what you have to do here, if you are using a laptop or mobile phone, Windows or Mac OS, uh, in every device this method will work. So what you have to do, you don't need to install any app. So what you have to do, just go to any browser you have, Google Chrome or Firefox, whichever browser you are using right now. Then here you have to type convert PDF to Excel. Okay, now just this is first website, you have to click on it. Now here you have to select PDF. Okay, now find the PDF. So this is the PDF which I want to convert into the Excel file. Okay, now just click on Excel and download Excel. So like this you can convert any PDF file into Excel file. Okay, so if you like this video, please like my video and also subscribe my channel for more videos like this. Thanks for